how to be more feminine and look attractive. Today we're diving into how to look more feminine and become irresistibly attractive by radiating that beautiful feminine energy. First up, embrace the feminine style. Choose outfits that highlight your femininity, like dresses, skirts, and blouses with soft, flowing fabrics. Opt for colors and patterns that make you feel confident and beautiful. Accessories like delicate jewelry, scarves, and cute handbags can also add a feminine touch. Remember, dressing in a way that makes you feel good is key to radiate feminine energy. Next, let's talk about posture. Standing tall with your shoulders back not only improves your appearance but also boosts your confidence. Good posture exudes grace and poise, which are key aspects of feminine energy. Practice sitting and standing tall and you'll notice how much more attractive and self-assured you feel. Tip number 3 is all about nurturing your skin. A glowing complexion can enhance your feminine allure. Establish a skincare routine that works for you. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect your skin. Consider using natural products that nourish your skin without harsh chemicals. When you feel good in your skin, it radiates outward. Finally, connect with your emotions. Embracing your feelings allows you to express your true self authentically. Engage in creative outlets like art, dance, or writing to channel your emotions. This connection not only enhances your feminine energy, but also makes you more relatable and attractive to others. And there you have it. Remember, femininity is about embracing who you are and letting your inner beauty shine. Stay beautiful and keep shining.